we want to work with you on 3 major items. Number 1, we want to work with you on trade and investment. Yes. And I am very happy that I have had you with clarity saying that you want to reprioritize the Africa Growth and Opportunities Act, AGOA. Yes. My request to you from your friends, brothers, and sisters in the African continent is that that be done in a timely fashion so that we can see how we can expand investment. People are planning when they are going to invest, and we want you to assist us to renew AGOA for 10 years.
When I visited Nairobi as vice president, I said that the true strength of Kenya was its people. And the students, workers, founders, activists, and innovators, entrepreneurs, and so many people like you who really do depend on democracy and support democracy.
Thank you.
And today, as we honor 60 years of ties between our countries, it's clear that our people are the true strength of this partnership, and a partnership that's working well.